Question number 1. Which infection is commonly known as lockjaw? The correct option is C. Tetanus. Question number 2. A pressure ulcer is most likely to develop in which area? The correct option is D. Sacral area. Question number 3. The first sign of hypoglycemia is usually. The correct option is B. Sweating. Question number 4. Before a blood transfusion, the nurse must verify. The correct option is A. Blood type. Question number 5. A patient with severe burns is at greatest risk for. The correct option is C. Infection. Question number 6. The fluid volume overload is commonly seen in. The correct option is B. Renal failure. Question number 7. A patient with a potassium level 2.5 milliequal per liter is at risk for. The correct option is D. Cardiac arrhythmias. Question number 8. Which nutrient is most important for wound healing? The correct option is C. Proteins. Question number 9. A patient with a low serum albumin level is at risk for. The correct option is A. Edemia. Question number 10. The main respiratory center is located in the. The correct option is D. Medulla oblongata. Question number 11. The normal resting cardiac output is approximately. The correct option is B. 5 liters per minute. Question number 12. The primary neurotransmitter at the neuromuscular junction is. The correct option is D. Acetylcholine. Question number 13. Insulin is secreted by which cells of the pancreas? The correct option is A. Beta cells. Question number 14. The main excitatory product of protein metabolism is. The correct option is B. Urea. Question number 15. The hormone secreted by the pineal gland is. The correct option is D. Melatonin. Question number 16. Which of the following is a function of the lymphatic system? The correct option is C. Immune response. Question number 17. Tuberculosis primarily affects which organ? The correct option is C. Lungs. Question number 18. In which of the following disease or complex spots are seen? The correct option is B. Measles. Question number 19. The rheumatic fever is often a complication of. The correct option is D. Strep throat. Question number 20. What is the main mineral lost in osteoporosis? The correct option is C. Calcium. Question number 21. Which disease involves abnormal bones remodeling and thickening? The correct option is B. Figot's disease. Question number 22. Which condition is a bacterial infection of the bones? The correct option is C. Osteomyelitis. Question number 23. Which muscle disorder is autoimmune in nature? The correct option is B. Myasthenia gravis. Question number 24. Myopathy is a general term referring to which of the following? Correct option is A. Muscle disease of muscles. Question number 25. A high serum lactate dehydrogenase level can indicate. The correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 26. A positive acid fast bacilli test suggests. The correct option is B. Tuberculosis. Question number 27. A low platelet count is most commonly seen in. The correct option is D. All of the A. Leukemia. Question number 28. The presence of ketones in the urine is typically seen in. The correct option is D. Diabetic ketoacidosis. Question number 29. A high serum ammonia level is indicative of which of the following? The correct option is C. Liver dysfunction. Question number 30. A common side effect of opioid pain medication is. The correct option is A. Constipation. Question number 31. Which vein is commonly used for intravenous cannulation? Correct option is C. Cephalic vein. Question number 32. Which antibiotic causing tooth decoloration in children? Correct option is C. Tetracycline. Question number 33. The best physician for a patient in shock is. The correct option is D. Trendelenburg physician. Question number 34. The recommended angle for intramuscular injection is. The correct option is D. 90 degrees. Question number 35. What is the correct route for administering a tuberculin test? Correct option is A. Intradermal. Question number 36. The main symptom of night blindness is due to the deficiency of. The correct option is A. Vitamin A. Question number 37. The permanent method of contraception for males is. The correct option is C. Vasectomy. Question number 38. Which one is not a communicable disease? The correct option is A. Diabetes. Question number 39. Menopause usually occurs around the age of. The correct option is B, 45 years. Question number 60. The most common benign tumor of the uterus is. The correct option is A, fibroid. Question number 41. The gold standard for diagnosing endometriosis is. The correct option is C, laparoscopy. Question number 42. Bradycardia as defined is heart rate less than. The correct option is A, 60 beats per minute. Question number 43. The drug used to dissolve a clot in myocardial infarction is. The correct option is B, streptokinase. Question number 44. Which of the following is the most common cause of hypertension? The correct option is B, obesity. Question number 45. The best way to prevent the spread of infection is. The correct option is A, hand hygiene. Question number 46. Which of the following is the most common complication of diabetes? The correct option is A, neuropathy. Question number 47. A patient with low hemoglobin is likely to have. The correct option is B, anemia. Question number 48. The best position for unconscious patient is. The correct option is C, lateral. Question number 49. The common cause of urinary tract infection is. The correct option is A, E. coli. Question number 50. Which organ is affected first in shock? The correct option is C, cat B, brains.